Hi, my name is Rayoung.
I'm Danbi, and I'm Annette, and
we are the creators of Re-Easy.
We have only one planet, but our world, the Earth, is suffering. According to the World Counts, which keeps live track of the amount of waste dumped, every year we dump 2.12 billion tons of waste. This massive amount of waste is partly because 99% of the things we buy are trashed within 6 months. At this rate, we would need up to 1.75 planets to provide all the resources to manage all the waste we make from consumption. But we know that is impossible. So our informational app, Re-Easy, is going to encourage people to be wiser and recycle and reuse their waste correctly and accordingly.
Well, we all know that recycling is important, but not all items are recyclable. For example, certain types of plastics such as PP and PS and greasy cardboards are not recyclable. So how do you differentiate between what is recyclable and what is not? That's why we give you Re-Easy, an Android mobile app that educates people about recycling and makes it easier for them to identify recyclable products. Our app has a distinctive feature of a barcode scanner, which allows people to simply scan a product, which then will automatically redirect them to another page on the app that has detailed information on what parts of the item are made up of what material and which materials are recyclable. Some of our app's strengths is the convenience and the DIY ideas that come with it. Even with the barcode feature, users of the app are able to find common wastes categorized in lists. And with the DIY ideas, users are motivated to reuse waste to their beneficial uses. Users would be able to get specific information on what types of plastic, metal, glass, and paper are recyclable, and also DIY ideas on how to reform products and create useful items that they will find to their benefit.
In one of our app analysis, the 6 stages of the buyer experience cycle for Re-Easy, we have located the current industry focus and the blue ocean offerings. Due to the fact that the application is cost-free, we lack competition in the areas of purchase. However, we focused on the simplicity and convenience of using our application, allowing us to have an advantage over the competitive market.
We will be eliminating the transition between different platforms by putting on the necessary information directly in our app. Most apps in the market do not take this into consideration, which then require the users to constantly move in and out of the app, which makes the app less effective. We realized that there was an excessive amount of text and blank space in the app. Re-Easy has reduced the amount of text and blank spaces so that the most essential information is included, while still appealing to the audience with the visuals.
We will be increasing the accessibility. Unlike the typical recycling apps you can find in the market that focus on locating the closest recycling facility, by the elimination of transition between apps, Wi-Fi isn't needed. We think our app can be used as an educational tool even for elementary school students because there isn't anything complicated when using the app. Several clicks are all it takes to intake all the information. Along with accessibility, we put value on our aesthetics. Our minimalistic design, using white and green as our primary color scheme, provides an eye-refreshing experience. Our major competitors in the market are mobile apps called Recycle Smart, Go Green, and Recycling on Campus. All 3 of these apps are dedicated to informing users about the specifics of recycling, so we mainly focused on comparing these 3 apps based on their visual layout and organization. Since the app's purpose is to inform and allow users to easily find information about the product they want to recycle, it is important that factors such as accessibility are high.
As you can see in our blue ocean strategy, our mobile app will allow easy access to information and has put user experience as our top priority. Our first-tier consumers are the individuals who are first introduced to our app, such as the students currently attending our school. Our second-tier consumers will be determined once our application is launched on public. Our third-tier consumers will be those with no access to the internet.
Recycling made easy, Re-Easy
hopes to make a small difference in the world.
Thank you.